Hi students, etla chestunnaru? How are you doing? Yeah, now I am explaining today this video inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, this is the first year topic, intermediate first year topic. Yeah, actually this topic is very important in trigonometric also. Okay, and one more thing I am telling here, listen. Okay, for DSC SCA Max, listen particularly because here mains level here asking. Got it? My point. Mains level paper will be okay like that. That's why you should do every problem what I explained shortcuts. Okay, every day watch my videos, you will get good score and tips also. Within 1 minute you have to complete the problem. Okay, yeah, now come to point. MSET mains DSC school assistant TET. Okay, please watch, and if any friends are there, then share the video. Okay, yeah, inverse trigonometric functions. The value of cot of cos inverse of 7 by 25 is given, right? Then yeah, a lot of options see here: 25 by 24, 25 by 7, 24 by 25, 7 by 24. Okay, options are here. Okay, then here one thing here, observe here, cot of here cos inverse of is there. Okay, that's why here you have to convert them into in terms of this function. Means cot, you should do convert here cot function. Got it my point? Yeah, now listen, I'm writing here cot of cos inverse of 7 by 25. Okay, now you convert into cot inverse. What is cos inverse? Means like cos of function only. Okay, tell me cos function formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? Adjacent side by, just explaining, listen here. Suppose you don't know value, suppose how to do like this. Okay, adjacent side is here given 7, adjacent side by here hypotenuse. Okay, here 720 should find this value. How to find? Yeah, hypotenuse square minus this square. Okay, 25 square. Listen here, suppose you take x here. Okay, then root of 25 square minus 7 square. Okay, tell me 25 square is 625 minus 49 is, what is the value? 15 minus 9, 6. Okay, 11 minus 4, 7. Okay, 576. Value is 24. Okay, already I told let's say 7, 24, 25. Suppose you don't know like this much also you don't have it here. Why? Because here options, once observe them here, already 7 by 25 is there. Another one easily see here, every plus 24, 24, 24 is you, right? Easily 24. This is one trick. Got it? Yeah, actually 24 only, just I'm telling here. Okay, then we want cot inverse of, right? Then now tell me cot inverse means, actually now tell me tan is opposite by adjacent, right? Then here cot, now then reciprocal of that, right? That's why adjacent side by, listen to my point, adjacent side by what? Opposite. Opposite is 24, right? 24, yeah. Now see, cot of is here, cot inverse of is there. We want here functions inverse. That's why here cancel them, both cancelled. Here we will get value 7 by 24. Where is the option? D option. Okay. See here, inverse trigonometric is very easy. Cot of here, cos inverse is there. That's why you should convert them here, this type of function. Suppose here tan is there, then you should convert into tan, like that. Here before function should do like that, function convert them here. Okay, got it my point? Then here what is cos means? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? That's why cot means we want another side, that is automatically you know that 24. Okay, then that is adjacent opposite side. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, then cot means, what is the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, then we should do another problem. Okay, yeah, this is another problem. Cos of cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2 plus pi by 6 value. Okay, here options are given 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, how to find these values? Listen here. Okay, okay, now see here, minus root 3 by 2, cos inverse of minus x. Formula I'm telling, listen here, cos inverse of minus x is, actually cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay, but here in this here actually given inverse functions, no? That's why here pi minus cos inverse x. You write here pi minus cos inverse x. Why? Because here second quadrant only negative angle. That's why you write pi minus cos inverse x. Okay. Now apply them here. Okay. Cos of. Okay. Yeah. Now in this place I'm writing, see here, pi minus cos inverse of root 3 by 2 plus pi by 6. Okay. Now tell me, in this cos inverse of is there na, then here what value of cos is root 3 by 2? Tell me here. Correct my point here. Before function is there na, that function only should find that value. Okay. Means here writing, see here, cos inverse of, here cos of root 3 by 2 value is root 3 by 2 cos 30, right? Cos 30 means pi by 6 only, right? Then you write here. Okay, then this is function cancelled. What are the values remaining are here? Cos of, okay, pi minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Got it? Okay, then cancel them these functions. Then cos pi. Tell me cos pi value minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. Sin pi is 0. Got it? Yeah. Now minus 1 option is correct. Got it? Easy now? Very easy. Okay. Inverse function compulsory one problem will be. Okay. Then must do. Okay. Yeah. This is third problem I'm writing here. See. 2 secant inverse 2 plus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Find the value of this. Okay. Options are given. A pi by 6, B 5 pi by 6, C 7 pi by 6, D is 1. Okay. Then how to do? See here, secant inverse of 2 is there now. Then here sin inverse is there. That's why you convert them here. Secant, no, you convert them cos. Okay. Now tell me cos inverse of how to do? Yeah, reciprocal the angle, right? 2 by 1 is will be 1 by 2, right? Plus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, here same angle is there. Here 2 cos inverse, no, I'm writing here splitting cos inverse of 1 by 2, cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus as it is here there, na, that function I'm writing sin inverse of 1 by 2. Got it? Yeah. Now this is what is value here. See here, sin inverse of same angle means sin inverse A plus cos inverse A is what? A means same angle. See here, cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of 1 by 2, same angle will be there. That value will be A. Okay, means pi by 2. That value will be pi by 2. This value is pi by 2. Okay. Okay. Then, oh yeah, plus, yeah. Listen, Hima, here same angle there. Sin inverse A plus cos inverse A is what? Pi by 2. Got it? Yes. Next, here cos inverse of 1 by 2 is, tell me 1 by 2 in that cos function, 1 by 2 is, I'm writing, see here, cos inverse of, here cos value will be, yeah, 60 degrees, right? Then pi by 3, right? Then this is cancelled, pi by 3 plus pi by 2. What is the value? Pi by 3 plus pi by 2. Take LCM. See here I'm writing pi by 3 plus pi by 2. Take LCM 6. 2 pi plus 3 pi is 5 pi. Oh yeah, right? This is the answer. 5 pi by 6. Got it? Yeah. See here secant inverse is there na. Convert them here cos inverse. Okay. 2 of there na. I am splitting cos inverse of 1 plus 1 like that I am splitting. Here one formula is there ma. Got it? This formula will be sin angle. Suppose A 2. You should take A. Then sin inverse A plus cos inverse A is pi by 2. Same angle will be there. That time should take here pi by 2. Should write pi by 2. Got it? Yeah. This is the formula. Okay. This is easy only. Okay, thank you watching my channel. If you're new one, please subscribe my channel, like also. Okay, thank you.